I put gloves on because glitter is like the herpes of crafts. So I'm going to take Mod Podge with gloves on because, yeah, don't want to deal with the glitter. And you just paint the Mod Podge on. I do a thin coat because I don't want it to be clumpy and I want it to be smooth. And it dries fast, so you kind of have to do this part fast, so you don't have a problem with drying. And I'm outside and it's freezing, so this is going to be fun, trying to keep up with this. And I don't want it to get clumpy. And I have a tumbler with a handle, so this is the first time I've done a tumbler with a handle, so I'm kind of curious as to how this is going to turn out. I don't know if I'm going to glitter the bottom, but I am going to, maybe I will put a little bit glitter. I am going to epoxy the bottom, but since I just put Mod Podge on the bottom, now I got to glitter the bottom, because I'm special. Okay. This is a hard spot to get down here. But I want to do the same strokes, going the same way. It gives it a smoother look too, if you do it that way. Alright, it's about to dry. Okay, I'm going to start putting glitter on it. I'm going to also try an ombre effect, something I haven't tried before either. So I'm going to do light silver at the bottom. Now when you do the ombre effect, make sure that you go lightly on the glitter when you go upward. So you want it thick at the bottom and then lighter the further you go up. Okay, that's good for that one. I'm going to put the silver back in the container. Unless you want to make your own little party mix. I am losing sunlight out here, so this is going to stink. The darker it gets, the harder it is to see. And the black. Don't worry about going over the lip because you got it all, you got the painter's tape on there. So you don't even have to worry about it. And I'm getting black in my dark blue, so yay for me, being special. I actually was thinking about this earlier, what it would look like to mix the black and the dark blue together. That would be kind of a cool midnight look, huh? Alright. I think I need to blend the colors together a little bit more. Like the light blue and the dark blue. And then I need to pull the silver up a little bit. That looks better. Holy moly, it's so much brighter on my camera. Like, it's way brighter on my camera. I can see how this is turning out on my camera better than I can in real life. It did turn out a midnight kind of sparkle mix. That's pretty neat. I don't know if you can see that. How many times do you hear that in videos? I don't know if you can see that. It's not focusing very well. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, just for this purpose right here, I feel like the glue has dried, so I got this adhesive spray that I'm going to try to see if it helps stick. So I'm going to tap the cup, get the excess glitter off. Try this adhesive spray. Well, there goes that glitter. It's alright. It's alright, I'm over it. Okay, this part you want to make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. You're going to do back and forth spurts of sprays, okay? Don't just let it all out. So you want to go back and forth. Hence why I wear the gloves too, so I don't have to worry about getting it on my hands. And downward, so I avoid getting inside the cup. The other thing you could do, I didn't want to touch it because I didn't want to mess with it, is take it off the spinner and then sprinkle your glitter on the bottom, if you want to do it that way. I just figured I would put it on there since I had it sitting there anyways. Then we get to epoxy it tomorrow. Woo! I got my epoxy. I'm about to stir it for 3 minutes. I'm starting off with 60 milliliters because I'd rather have more than not enough. So I'm probably going to fast forward this part, and then I'm going to put it on the cup. And since it's 70 degrees out here, it's probably going to harden very quickly. You want to do this outside, probably with a ventilator, but since it's kind of windy, I think I'll be all right. I don't see many people doing this, but I'm going to pop the bubbles if there are any, because I feel like I see some. This is just a precaution to make sure that you don't have any bubbles. And then get down eye level and you'll be able to see any big spots that you might have missed or clumps. But once it starts turning, it flattens out and it evens out. I cannot believe this turner. Just got this turner and it's already shaking like that. I found these silicone brushes on Amazon and I love them because when the epoxy hardens, it comes right off. Okay, I'll show you when it's done.